concrete mixers. These are not a drum mixer, these are batching plants, mobile batching plants. That there is your water tank. Normally holds about 2 ton of water. Coming round the side here, this is your main conveyor chain oiler unit. Normally we just put hydraulic oil in there. This is your AdBlue system for different types of concrete. Spout, extra trays. This is your cement tank. We'll have a look at that in a minute. Coming around the back here. This thing that sticks out at the back here, in lay terms, is a mixer. Inside there is a massive auger. Mixes every part of your cement, water, sandstone, cement. This is what I call the mixing bowl in here. This is where everything gets brought to. The stone and the sand comes along the conveyor at different rates, depending on different mixes. The cement bin there comes down to an auger that, as soon as the conveyor is started, the cement auger kicks in, runs down here through this sock and into the mixing bowl. The water is pumped from the front. That's the filling cap, that's the filling part of it. It's pumped from here via that pump there. All this is just lagging for the water pipes in the winter. Runs along the back here, runs. That there is your water blowout system. In the winter, these things need cleaning. All the water needs taken out of the water pipes. If it freezes, it'll crack pipes. So there's an air system. We open this tap here. This is the AdBlue clear system. This is the main clear system. Just blows air from the truck air tanks straight through the water system. You open all the ends and it blows out all of water. So that clears that for the winter. Comes to the back here, right through the system. There's an electronic tap behind there. It opens and closes, and the water is run through this pipe here. That goes into the mixing bowl. Cement goes into the mixing bowl. Sandstone goes into the mixing bowl, and it is all mixed. This is in transport position at the moment. It's all mixed in this auger here. You can see the auger. I can't open it really, but there's a big auger in there, and it's all mixed in there. It's not mixed before it goes in there, it's mixed in there, and it comes out as some really good concrete. And it's a bit dirty at the moment because I've been busy. I will clean it. So these are the controls for an Armcon. When there's a lever there, it's a lever and it does something. I'm not going to go into the running of this machine because you need a degree to run the bloody thing. So we'll just go up on top at the moment and just show you inside the cement and the sand and stone bins. This is just a brief overall of what these mixers do if you're not familiar with them. They are clever machines. They're an American machine. So this is a view from the top. That's the end of the auger. Just filled up with sand and stone from my Snail Beach job. So, split bins. Cement in here, about 3 ton. It needs to be dry. This pipe here I've made myself. The sand, when it's wet, will bridge. It will not give decent concrete. I have to keep getting up here. So I'll put this pipe in, take it out when I get to the job. There's a ready-made hole down there. So that comes out. If the sand bridges, I have a pair of these shovelers on top. It's damned hard work when you have to do it. But when you have to do it, you're running up and down there like a bloody acrobat and down these ladders. Not for the unfit, this trucking job and operators. It's not for the unfit. So that's just a brief walk around on how volumetrics work. There's a lot more to it than that, but that's the basic machine. Her is old. It's a 65 plate Scania. Pulls like a train, obviously. Gets to where I need to get, in and out of farms mainly, small farms. Sometimes you have to be Houdini to get in and out of these farms with these big machines. And when you're tearing up the customer, oh, I didn't know the machine was that big. Well, it's that big, and it's 40 ton as well. So yeah, it's got a couple of exemptions on it, which I believe are going to be lifted by the year 2026 on all of these volumetrics. And the companies are bringing out new lighter machines to reflect that. So that's what I do at the moment.